like I dey talk, e no hard. The only problem I say the thing deep. Oh, guys. Hell, Chim. E no hard. I just deep the thing deep. No be say e hard. So make we start. Welcome to another episode for aarealzone. Today we will come talk some very very important things. But as you know, I beg una go help. So they talk this thing for broken, no easy. And when you start, you know say no easy. So I beg more than the help. So they talk technical things for broken. Are the cut cap for everybody where they do technical jobs for broken language or other languages. You know, too easy like that. I beg more than support us. Today, we will talk about how to develop a website for CMS. Two different ways who they use one. Now we'll talk today. I don't go waste time, we will start. The thing we say, each of these tools what I go call, or each of these things what I go call, I go use one video later, break them down pieces. I go use them pieces. But for now, I will just identify them in sequence so that you go see how they go. Like I talk, e no hard. The only problem I say the thing deep. Oh, guys. Hell, Chim. E no hard. I just deep the thing deep. No be say e hard. So make we start. For CMS, if you want to develop CMS website, one of the first things we would need do, in fact, any website, the first things we would need do, na domain name. Domain name, now they see all these www.xxx.com, .xxx.org, .edu, .design, .co.uk, and all the likes. All those ones now they call domain name. That domain name just looking like say na plot of land where you go use work, where you go use build your website, go up. And that one ain't the domain name. Just looking like that. And in order for you to get this domain name, so you will go hosting company, another very important place name be this. This hosting company now, them will provide you with domain name. You go first check, see whether the name where you write. Now you go choose the name where you want. When you choose them, or the one where your client give you, when they check if they are available, they say they are available. If you buy, if you even buy and keep, you know go design. The same way they do land. You go buy land, keep, you know decide to build. But don't forget, the land, it gets expiration. Sometimes, for other companies, they rent that thing. Nobody they buy them. So when you collect them now, you go rent and you go start to do what you want to do on top of them. For other countries, will not be Nigeria. But Nigeria now, president now don't introduce, landlord, insurance. So as a landlord now, from next year, you go, they do insurance. I'm not going to even go that side. I beg, move ahead. But you go, they insure. If you don't insure, the fee seize your property, as the case may be. Anyway, so the hosting company will provide you with the domain name and also a hosting plan. Hosting plan, I be the thing where will carry your website, give them so many features, things like the size of the website, the speed of the website, which other thing I want to talk self. So many things I don't feel they break them down, but plenty deep. Now we can say no say it had it deep. So now we can say each of these things we will take and we will break them down. But hosting company now one of the most important things where if you determine so many things about your website. You get hosting companies when even if you give you a particular domain extension where you define. You will just look for the one which you offered all these things. Like I said, I will discuss that one later. But for now, shall no say domain name, hosting plan by hosting company. Bam. After that, most hosting companies, if they develop with CMS, you go route them from there. You can't go get after you don't pay for everything, they can't give you access to what they call cPanel. cPanel, aka control panel. Now one of the back end with the for CMS web development most of the times. This cPanel now another course on your own where I go teach. Plenty, too many things the way you go learn for cPanel, where will make your hands strong for this web dev game. I'm telling you, if you lag go for this one, it will show say you be newbie, you be rookie, all of us will know. But more first keep that one go one side. Inside the cPanel, you go access another tool where they call Softaculous. These things will I say hard, but don't forget that does the talk small, they describe them, but on a good day, no hard. That does deep. This one, it bust my head. Anyway, so when you go get it Softaculous, from inside Softaculous, they get applications with the most of them CMS tools. So from there, you can select the CMS where you want. If not Drupal day, Joomla day, WordPress day. So I just focus on WordPress for now. If and when I will decide to do Drupal or Joomla, I will still run you through the process. So you can install WordPress inside Softaculous or inside your cPanel, because cPanel, Softaculous, WordPress, you install them. When you install them properly, in quotes, properly, then you can get the admin credentials and the URL. You will use and can log in to the WordPress backend, cPanel, bad guy. WordPress on that backend, we're going to deal with. When you go enter inside the backend of WordPress, and there now you can see the dashboard. And that one now be your cockpit where you go call pilot. So from there you will see all the features within the cockpit, within your dashboard. From there now you work with team. You go install your team if you want to do team, if you want to install team. If you never want to install team, if you want to work direct, you go work direct. If you want to work with plugins, you go plugins, install the necessary plugins, and you start to build based on what you want and based off what your client wants. After this, the site as you the developer, you go to modify on the live internet. This is where, if you not remember my previous post, I hope say the link will show for you, will tag them. The mistakes we don't make, we will know we will make. If you can't go the design and install maintenance plugins to help you prevent the public space on the internet to see how you take work, how your magic tricks, how you take drum, everybody will just see the things where they do. And sometimes if you're not careful, say you and your company or your client figure issues. And so you will install that, what do they call them, maintenance plugin, which will help you shield that back, so that you work, nobody see your work. The same way as companies, they build or they develop, buildings around, they will use one kind of fence. It's aluminum, zinc fence, and they will use and cover them. You could just pass, they see. After 2 weeks, you just say house don't finish already, they don't finish up. Now, Julius Berger, or 2 weeks, Julius Berger work with that too, but that kind of thing. Now the same thing they talk with this. So now the work part, I be this to develop live or online WordPress, my body very unique WordPress website. I will just walk and down from step by step now. Domain name, hosting plan, cPanel, Softaculous, down to CMS, then development proper. Are the 6 ways with this to run this thing. Hard, not just deep. You will ask everything that they come with this. Hard, not just deep. And as a bonus, like I talk, I will come talk how you fit take design WordPress, specifically a website offline. So for people who never get clients and they want design, they want test their hand, they want start to be trained, they want start to be practice, there are different ways to if you do. You fit use, first thing you need server. You will also need the WordPress software. The WordPress software, if you download them from their official website, the link will come out, you will see that will not be a problem. Server where you go install, you get XAMPP, we get WAMP too, you get so many other ones, but are the 2 popular ones where I know be this, and you go install them. So for the server, you go do connection, install the WordPress, then from there, you can get access to the backend and you will start your development. If any plugin there or anything where you want to use, you feel also still download the plugin manually now. Be like WordPress where you could also, if you did live, you could also install them. This one you go download them, drag and come the WordPress software, then install them from there, and all that will work from there. So now does the offline way be this for people who want practice and all of that. This one too, we will do separate video for them. That one will be issue. You need to go up. as a guy with one or twos, make I drop this info because this one I dey use them a lot for clientels and then possible job roles just to show person say what you dey do. You get how you would take even if you no wan do offline web development for WordPress. You get sites where you fit design WordPress websites without actually having a hosting company or a server, as the case may be, for an offline development. It go dey live and you go develop them. I know say if you use WordPress do am, it go carry the subdomain name where you want, but the domain will be .wordpress.com. And the same way my old or my first website be, and that one still dey live up to now. So you see that one are forever, except you delete them by yourself. If you do that one, but you feel not use so many plugins for that one because of the fact say really dey now like free platform you dey, so you dey limited to plugins where you use. But again, another one I will put the link for here. That one every time where I want do one or two jobs, where maybe sometimes you get the way you go apply for some roles, they will come tell you say, okay, so what will go happen? We want make you design X and Y, more see your hand, or develop X and Y, more see your hand. Some companies will give you subdomains to work with. They even give you domains to work with. May you play, may you give them, or subdomains as the case may be. Most of the time, any reasonable person will give you subdomain. Nobody will carry domain, go they give you that one, except you don't get the job. So they will give you if you work and all of that. But if they don't give you, the way they do them, this company, this site, what I tell you, there they go. Create a free account and I fit develop a full functional website there. The thing now be say it could be available for 7 days because na free platform a day. If you dey paid, I think it would be more than that. But for free, na 7 days. So within 7 days, your potential recruiter or client should be able to go through those things and see enough to know, say, okay, this guy sabi, okay, this guy, if you get idea of what you define, okay, no wahala, that kind of thing. So that one today. This one now, many people don't know I don't drop another one. So that's where they be. We don't finish. At the step with this. We get online, we get offline, now we get semi-online. We get semi-online. How it makes sense too. So now here we go end up. If you like the way they be, I beg, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. They promise you now, when I think say broken easy. Now, when they use broken, they explain technical terms like this. I want the thing hard to I beg. Mona they encourage me, I beg. Mona they give me those likes and subscriptions. Mona help us grow. Mona even see whether in like maybe say like that kind in October, more they close 1,000 already now. Many of us they almost support ourselves. Many of us they way they enjoy this thing. I beg. Mona they do the thing more they grow, so that we feel they grow as a people. Then also, if you get another thing where say maybe I forget to and all of that, but put up for comment section, I go read them, I go respond. Questions, drop them for the people they will go respond. Me self I go respond. If I go there, I'm on the first, we go always respond because I'll get notification first. As for notification, like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on that notification, very important. So that once I drop, when I nobody waits, they say where this guy, whether I don't drop or not, I beg. Now, here reason with this, as the way our guy they always talk, peace and love. I'm not gonna say don't play, but play. This is why I go talk say play, but peace and love, sha.